You've been diligently building your online presence for months. You've poured countless hours into creating engaging content, growing your audience, and fostering a community. Then, one day, you receive a notification that your account has been blocked. Why? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what Tide is and why it might have taken such a drastic action. Tide is briefly explain Tide's purpose and functions. It's a platform that mention key features or benefits. Common reasons for account blocking. Now, let's explore some common reasons why Tide might have blocked your account. Violating community guidelines. Tide has a set of rules and guidelines that all users must follow. These guidelines cover everything from list examples of guidelines, e.g., hate speech, harassment, spam. If you've violated any of these guidelines, it's highly likely that your account will be blocked. Example, sharing copyrighted content without permission. Engaging in suspicious activity. Tide uses sophisticated algorithms to detect suspicious activity on the platform. This can include things like list examples of suspicious activity, e.g., spamming, bot activity, fraudulent behavior. If you've been involved in any suspicious activity, your account may be flagged and blocked. Example, creating multiple accounts to promote spammy content. Copyright infringement. Tide takes copyright infringement very seriously. If you've used copyrighted material without proper authorization, your account could be blocked. Example, posting a video clip from a movie or TV show without a license. Terms of service violation. Tide's terms of service outline the rules and regulations that govern the platform. If you've violated any of these terms, your account may be subject to suspension or termination. Example, using Tide for commercial purposes without permission. Troubleshooting tips. If your account has been blocked, don't panic. There are steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. Review community guidelines. Carefully read through Tide's community guidelines to ensure you haven't violated any rules. Contact Tide support. Reach out to Tide's support team and explain the situation. They may be able to provide more information or help you resolve the issue. Appeal the decision. If you believe that your account was blocked unfairly, you may be able to appeal the decision. Follow Tide's guidelines for appealing a blocked account. Preventing future blocks. To prevent your account from being blocked in the future, follow these tips. Be mindful of community guidelines. Always adhere to Tide's rules and regulations. Avoid suspicious activity. Refrain from engaging in any behavior that could be considered suspicious. Respect copyright laws. Only use content that you have the rights to use or that is in the public domain. Read and understand the terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Tide's terms of service and follow them carefully. Being blocked on Tide can be frustrating, but it's important to understand the reasons why it might have happened. By following the tips in this video, you can reduce the risk of your account being blocked in the future and potentially resolve any issues that arise. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.